From Wish TV and the All Indiana Podcast Network, this is the Business, Equity, and Opportunities Podcast with Scott Sander.
Welcome to the Business, Equity, and Opportunities Podcast. I'm Scott Sander. On this episode, one of the biggest issues facing a business always is how to access capital, not only getting started with it, but also keeping things running and growing. There are many funding options available for entrepreneurs and small business owners, and over the years, we've shared insight on many of them. The stockholders, stakeholders, and decision makers bring us tips and solutions you may not be aware of.
Looking for ways to save on your energy bills? AES Indiana has you covered. From smart thermostats to home energy assessments, we offer simple solutions to keep your home comfortable and your costs down. AES can help you save money and energy with kits, tips, rebates, and more. Visit aesindiana.com/ways to save to learn more about how we can help you save money. AES Indiana, helping you discover real ways to save.
Every business is unique and has a target audience. If you own or manage a business, Circulus Digital Media can help you connect and grow your customer base with turnkey digital solutions that are nimble, offering best-in-class results, service, and support to reach a bigger customer base, allowing you to pinpoint a specific audience down to the smallest details. Get outside the city, the state, span the globe. Put Circulus Digital Media to work for you. Get started now at circulusdigital.com. That's circulusdigital.com.
The purpose of Elevate Me really is to identify, understand, and seek to solve the challenges that minority entrepreneurs are up against when they consider venture capital as a source of funding. For 2024 this year, our goal is really to connect with entrepreneurship support organizations across the state to give them access to information, to give their community access to support, access to knowledge, and most importantly, access to capital. And so we'll be going around the state, virtually, in person, just making sure that they understand all the different programs that we have at Elevate. We are a typical venture capital firm, which means we invest in innovation-driven enterprises, right? Which is typically different, completely different from small, medium enterprises. One of the key characteristics of an IDE, innovation-driven enterprise, is there's a big opportunity that you're looking at solving. The total addressable market size, for example, is over 500 million. So think of you identifying a problem, but solving it at scale, repeatedly for so many people, maybe even across the globe. And for those sort of companies, we invite them to apply. We typically say we are sector agnostic, with the exception of real estate, professional services. And so a lot of companies that are tech-driven, tech-enabled, would specifically for minority entrepreneurs, are welcome to apply. The first thing really is it all starts with the problem that you're looking to solve. So many times we see solutions that are looking for the right problem. And so when you identify the problem, you want to do a little bit of research. I like to say there's so many characteristics of a good problem. One of it is millions of people, for example, have this problem. Secondly, people run into it frequently. It's not going away anytime soon. The industry is growing, and so there's always going to be a need for your potential solution. And so when you have that knock down the problem, and you think about the solution with an iterative, agile mindset, knowing that the solution you have today will keep on changing as you interact with the customers and keep talking to people that have the problem, and then eventually you arrive at one solution that solves the problem. And the pitch deck really looks into all the different areas of the business, from the problem to the solution, the market size, the team, how much capital are you raising, what is the use of funds, what is the terms of capitals, and things like that.
We're looking to partner with ESOs, entrepreneur support organizations, just so we can build out that community that TT was talking about earlier. The more we can come together as a community and spread the information and let everybody know about the opportunities Elevate Me has, the better we can get the problem fixed. What these organizations do is kind of take a founder that probably doesn't have a lot of experience and kind of helps them with the basic business principles.
An entrepreneur that I coach, she came to Raleigh with a product, and he sold the product at Raleigh for $1,000. Yeah. You know, and so for that entrepreneur, minority entrepreneur, we're thinking, you know, at the early stage of the business, is there even something here? Should I pursue this? Do people really want this? She's at that stage where she's doing a lot of customer discovery. Coming to Raleigh, interacting with people from across the globe, literally, and selling a product is validation on so many levels. And with that, she's gone full scale on how do I manufacture this? How do I put it in the hands of the users and continue to collect feedback? So many success stories from Raleigh that I'm sure so many people on the team have as well, and people that attended the event. Last week, we launched a pre-seed fund. And the pre-seed fund is a $3 million fund that we are looking to invest in innovation-driven enterprises across the state of Indiana, starting at 20K check sizes, really for the earliest of ideas. So literally idea on a pitch deck. You've identified this big market opportunity, and you want to even find out if there's a there in there. You know, please, you're welcome to apply. The check may be for the initial 20K check, may be for customer discovery, to attend a conference or event, just to make sure that you are on the right path to solving a problem that is there's an idea market fit with the problem that you want to solve. So yeah, we that's exciting, and we are looking to be inundated with so many applications, but it's exciting times.
Our thanks again to all the contributors who joined us for this episode of the Business Equity and Opportunities podcast. We hope you found it enlightening, useful, and inspiring. You'll find more information about the show on our website, BEOshow.com. You can watch Business Equity and Opportunities Sunday mornings at 10 on Wish TV or live stream it through wishtv.com. Each week we provide 7 full segments with topics ranging from how to get started and how to access capital to the day-to-day running of your business and questions about accounting and bookkeeping. We feature business news and trends and always share a success story from one of our contributors. Join us next time for more insights into the world of small business. Be sure to sign up for our Business Equity and Opportunities newsletter to get even more valuable, up-to-date information. And if you have any questions or you'd like to be part of our show, please email us. The address is beo@wishtv.com. We'd love to hear from you. I'm Scott Sander. Thanks for listening.
Watch the Business Equity and Opportunities show on Wish TV and access all of our content and share it on demand anytime at BEOshow.com. You can find more podcasts from Wish TV on the All Indiana Podcast Network at allindianapodcastnetwork.com.